This world will
Maybe you a star, like stars. You know, with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Wrist, tell me, on the way home. In this world, concrete flowers grow. Heartache, she only do.
Alright guys, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank YMY Hair for sponsoring today's video. So guys, this is my first time working with YMY Hair, so I'm pretty excited. So let's get into this gorgeous unit that they sent over. Oh, y'all look. So this is the packaging. Guys, this is the unit. Alright, let me take it out. Girl, it's long. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all look. Oh, it's long. It's long. Okay. I'm getting excited. Okay. Oh, y'all look at this texture. Hold on. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Y'all look. Oh my God. Look at this. All right, guys. So your tag is going to include the hair care maintenance and this barcode to give VIP privileges. Now let's get into the lace. Y'all, this is the lace. Look at that. But girl, y'all, it's already so the lace is dyed brown. Y'all, it matches my complexion to a T. So I'm pretty excited about that. I can tell just based off of the positioning of the lace. Look at the parting space on this wig. Very, very nice. This is how your unit is going to appear as soon as you put it on. As you guys can see, I have not put anything on the lace. So that's a bonus. It doesn't really appear that I'm gonna have to. All right, guys, so this is a 13x6 pre-plucked unit. It is also a skin melt unit. And then you can do a lot of free parting. So guys, you can almost part this from ear to ear. Just to give you guys an idea, you can part it. This is also the natural curl pattern. If you guys don't want to add water or anything to the unit, you don't have to. I'm probably going to wet mine just a little bit. But the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is go ahead and trim the lace off. Thing that I like to do is cut my lace all the way down. I really don't like to leave any lace on my unit. The next thing I'm gonna do is just create a really nice deep side part.
When you do your best, you can
Cut the music up.
when you do your best, yeah, that's all you can do. You, me, and anybody else. And they always say talk.
running away from where I'm from. Never can stay with no one. Loving you almost feels like something when no one's around me. You lost and found me. I was surrounded with open arms. Don't get me open. I'm so devoted. You keep me open arms. I'm so devoted to you. Feel like being hopeless. So get on insecurity. I know it's bad.
All right, girls, so this is how your unit is gonna look after you do all of the basics like laying the lace, putting a little bit of gel on it, which is actually what I did. Now guys, I did cut just a little bit just to give the unit a little bit more shape and definition on the side. I did use my Eco Styler gel, and I basically use it just to kind of thin out the parting area because I didn't want to pluck it or anything, and it really does not need to be plucked. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is add just a little bit of product. I still want the wig to be fluffy and pretty, and I really do not want to compromise the integrity of the natural curl. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of water along with some conditioner. So you want to start with a light hand on the spray. Oh my God, y'all look, the curls are forming. back already. So y'all, I'm only gonna do the top layer. So this is what your unit is gonna look like when it's wet. This is what it's gonna look like when it's dry. So after I do this, I'm gonna go in and diffuse it. All right, y'all, and then we're just gonna do a little bit on this side. So I'm trying to get the water added to every area where there was just a little bit of manipulation to the hair. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. So this is how it's gonna look, just completely wet before you diffuse it. Let me keep my hands out of it, girl. So this is basically it prior to the diffusing process.
I better fall back. I don't mean to mislead her. If she believes every word that I said, I take it all back. She playing follow the leader. That doesn't mean that I ain't gotta leave her. I wonder, she's so happy when she's next to me. Thought she had me, baby, really thought she had me. Now she fiending for the rest of me, no. But that isn't interested. Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one around me. So give me a run for my money.
All right, guys, so this is the final look. So the hair is probably 95% dry. Y'all, this hair is so gorgeous. I love how I just kind of lightly did baby hair right here just to kind of really get the hairline to look a little bit more natural. But guys, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. The curls are so soft. Now the back of the unit is 100% dry because remember, we didn't put any product back here. So this is what you should expect your unit to look like. It is so thick and so full. This wig is HD lace. It's a 13x6 parting space, so you can literally part it from ear to ear. It's super versatile. In addition to that, the wig is pre-plucked, and in addition to that, the knots are pre-bleached, so I didn't have to do anything. Also, the actual lace itself does come tinted, so if you don't want to add any foundation, you don't have to. You guys let me know what you think about this gorgeous unit. I'm going to make sure that I link everything below, and if YMY Hair is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code, I'll link that below as well. You guys let me know what you think about this fabulous unit in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If this world were
It
mine.
goes all towards love. Baby, you a star, like stars. You know, with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Wrist, roll, tell me how if you on the way home.